Knowledge is your passport, and mine brought me to Cornell. So here I'm building something bigger than a classroom. This weekend, I'm in New York City for my Cornell EMBA classes, but between lectures, I'm building my course right here from the middle of Manhattan. I'm in New York City for school, but also building my next 2026 course right here. And it's all because text preparation gives me that freedom to be anywhere and do something bigger. Cornell is pushing me to think bigger, to do better, to do bigger things. But I would not be here without text preparation skill. Text preparation is what gives me ability to be anywhere, to work from anywhere, to create online courses and be here on YouTube to help thousands of text preparers. Some people think to build a text course you need to have a studio or video studio and whole team, but in reality, no. And text preparation skills gives me that freedom. I can work from anywhere and I can be anywhere I want. Right after classes, I usually spend time on the campus working on my text course. So I prepare slides. I sometimes record video like that as well, and I love it. So you can do it with a text preparation skill. You can do it anywhere. You can take your work anywhere, and to create a course or YouTube channel, also something you can do from anywhere in the world or in the comfort of your home if that's what you prefer. Knowledge is your passport, and mine brought me to Cornell. So here I'm building something bigger than a classroom.